Ready?
Yeah, this is Ajay Kumar. It is a continuation video regarding profession. In earlier and these two previous videos, I explained the how Saturn is influencing our profession. Now I am going to explain. It's a very minor point, but very important point. Whenever Saturn is appears in the zodiac signs of Aries, but it's not giving result. So people says that astrologer is not predicting that much, like why we have to depend this fellow, and even the subject is not. It's not like that, because at that time we have to see the Narayan Bhav Chari chart as per the written by the KP in our modern era. Even previous also it is there. Bhava Madhya, Bhava Sandhi, Bhava Prarambha is there. So whenever see, as per our zodiac sign, every planet is consisting of 30 degrees. Whenever is planeting between 1 to 5 degrees, automatically it comes to back position. Whenever planet is in between the 25 to 30, it will comes to next position. So we have to see the Bhavanarayan Chal chart, and we have to explain. Without seeing Bhavanarayan Chal chart, if we explain like that, the prediction will be going to be loss. So what I am going to suggest, first we have to see the Bhavanarayan Chal chart. Then we have to see the deposit or disposit or whatever it may be. Suppose if Saturn is placed in Aries, so Saturn came to Aries to earn the profession. Then we have to see the lot of Aries also Mars. Whatever place he is having. Suppose if the Mars is deviated in Cancer, what kind of profession he is going to earn, what kind of money he is going to earn in the position of Aries. So even though Saturn is deviated in Aries, suppose if the Lord of Aries, Mars is exalted in the Saturn, I mean Capricorn, he will get very versed and good profession. So we have to see the depositor. The depositor, he should not be in position to Trika houses of Saturn. I mean Trika house is nothing but then 6, 8, 12. Even some astrologers also saying that not only we have to see the Trika houses, we have to see the from the place of Saturn also, like Lagna and Saturn. So it will give accurate result for each and every person. Then we have to see, if you take the Lagna from Saturn, then we can get accurate result regarding profession. Suppose as per our the horoscope describes that Lagna, it shows the entire things, not only one aspect. Suppose second one, nothing but then our earning. Suppose first sign is Saturn, then second sign is, if it is a benefic planet. What is the benefic planets? Benefic planets are the Jupiter, Venus. Even though Moon also benefic planet, whenever he is not combust with the Sun. And we have to see the Mercury. Whenever Mercury is not associated with malefic planet, he will give very good result. So if any benefic planets second position, I mean second house from the Saturn, he will give very good money. See, if any third planet, I mean third place from Saturn, we have to see that if there is any malefic planet is there. What is the third position as per our horoscope? Third position is nothing but than communication skills and our courageousness, braveness, entire thing is there. Whenever malefic planet is there, like Upachayas 3, 6, 10, 11, he never compromise. Even in profession also, he never compromise. Like that, he will go to his next position without compromising. See, fourth house. Fourth house is nothing but than our happiness. Whenever any malefic planet is there from Saturn to fourth house, so he is not going to happy with profession. See, fifth house. In our fifth house, nothing but than it is a mantrasthana, and nothing but than whenever Saturn, the fifth house is the benefic planets is there, the person is having servants and disciples. in modern era. See the sixth house. I already explained. It is nothing but the under Upachaya. Sixth house is the debts, enemies. So whenever malefic planet is there, he will automatically destroy the debts and enemies. He will have very good relations. See, once again we have to see the seventh house. Seventh house is nothing but the direct contact with public. Whenever Benefic planet is there, Saturn is having very good communication skills with public. He is well versed with business. And see the eighth house. Eighth house also should be a benefic should be there. Why I am saying is eighth house is nothing but the money of the public. Means seventh is the public. Second one is the money. So money of the public should be the benefic planet. So whenever benefic planet from the Saturn, eighth house, definitely we can earn the money of the public. Then we have to see the ninth house. Ninth house is nothing but then achievements. Whenever benefic planet is there from the Saturn to ninth house, definitely we will get achievements. Then we have to see the 10th house. 10th house is nothing but then profession. When we see the profession from Saturn like 10th house, whenever benefic planet is there, he will get very good name and fame in profession. See the 11th house. 11th house also nothing but then fortune house. Whenever malefic planet is there, he cannot compromise for fortune. So, in 3, 6, 10, 11, there should be a malefic planet should be there. Then only he will get his achievements, he will get in very good stage. We have to see the 12th house from Saturn. Whenever 12th house is with benefic planets, he is having very good pleasures. I mean, bed pleasures, and will with happy very good sleep and like that. So from these aspects also very important, we have to see the Saturn as a Lagna. We can get this kind of things automatically. So whenever person seeing a job, we have to see the Lagna from Saturn. If you see the what is I explained in previous two videos and right now, these are the important. Thank you for watching my video. Check my below the link ajayastroservices.com.